Working for your money this morning, the Dow rally loses steam, but the Dow closed up 20 points at 98.85 last night. And it didn't hit the 10,000 mark, but is Wall Street seeing an upswing? And is this time to start investing your money again? George Wells, president and founder of the Auburn Hills-based Legacy of America wealth management firm, joins us with hopefully some great answers, because a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines. They lost a lot of money a little while ago, and they're saying, is now the time to jump back in, George? Well,
Lee, the market has seen an incredible upswing, up 50% since March. There's so much speculation, there's so much mixed economic data, but nevertheless, the market is just being driven up so strongly, up 4% last week, nearly hitting that magic number of 10,000, up 50% since March. Is just amazing how the market is driving up when people are losing their jobs, people are losing their homes, and yet the stock market just continues to rally.
Yeah, but over the last year, I would say that it's been such a rocky road with just stocks going up and down and up and down. Where do you put your money? Blue chips? I mean, where do you put the money?
Well, you have to be very careful as people are getting their house in order, as they're losing jobs and they're really watching the money that they're spending. You have to be very careful with the money that you're investing, because the markets are just at all-time highs in volatility. What quickly goes up can also quickly go down, as we've seen, and it's very important to be assessing what money really belongs in the stock market and what money really belongs on the side.
Now, for my biggest question is, what is the one thing that you tell your clients, the one big, most important thing you tell your clients?
Well, because we work with retirees, and it's our responsibility to help retirees retire happily ever after, the #1 message with your money: you cannot protect what you don't control. And if the money's in the stock market, it's outside of your control. We always want to talk about these 50-cent stocks or dollar stocks that we bought and they went up to $20, but you would never put all your money there. In planning for retirement, you must be able to protect your assets and protect what's important to you, what you're going to be depending on for retirement, so that you're able to control the results and get the results that you expect for retirement.
Now isn't the time to make risky decisions, is it? I mean, there's a lot of money to be made. I hear of people buying these stocks for $1 and it soars to $20. Is now the time to start taking those kinds of risks with some of your money?
Well, I think now's a great time to be taking those risks with some of your money, because there's so much volatility. You can make a lot of money very quickly, but you would never take all of your money and put it on one particular stock or one particular type of investment. It's a very important time to be prudent and not be teased by what's happening in the market. Just because it's gone up very well for some doesn't mean it's going to go up very well for everyone, and does not certainly mean that it's going to continue to go up the way that it has.
Now, they say that September, October are really tough months. We just had our money expert from Fox News talking about this. We're getting through these months and it's continuing to go up. What is the future, in your opinion, and what should people look to for that future?
The future is change. We have change in every area of our life. Change with the big three, changes with the economy, changes with the administration on how we're going to be going forward in the future. And it's so much of a time that you have to be aware of what's happening and plan for the future and get your house in order, get the things in order that need to be in your savings accounts and your planning for the future, and make sure that you personally are protected relative to everything else that's happening outside.
All right, George Wells, thanks for the advice, my friend. Thank you very much for coming in. All right, that was George Wells from Legacy of America. If you want more information from George or his company, you can go to the money page at myfoxdetroit.com.